Have you ever stopped to consider how your mindset about money might be affecting your financial situation? Whether you're saving for a big goal, dealing with debt, or just trying to make sense of your spending habits, your thoughts and beliefs about money play a huge role in shaping your financial reality. In this video, we're diving deep into the psychology of money, how your mindset influences your financial decisions and behaviors, and why understanding this can be the key to unlocking your financial potential. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly manage their finances while others struggle, it all comes down to one thing: mindset. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how your thoughts impact your financial choices and practical steps you can take to improve your financial mindset. Whether you're looking to build wealth, get out of debt, or make smarter money choices, so if you're ready to take control of your financial future, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to make smarter money moves. Understanding the basics. Money isn't just about numbers. It's deeply tied to our emotions, beliefs, and behaviors. This is where the psychology of money comes into play. At its core, the psychology of money is the study of how your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors influence your financial decisions. Key concepts. Financial mindset. Your financial mindset is shaped by your past experiences, cultural background, and even childhood lessons about money. It's your internal framework for how you view and interact with money. Someone with a scarcity mindset might believe there's never enough money to go around, leading to fear-based spending or a reluctance to save. Meanwhile, someone with an abundance mindset believes there's always enough, and that mindset can lead to more confident, strategic financial decisions. Emotional spending. Many of us turn to shopping or spending to cope with emotions like stress, anxiety, or sadness. This can lead to impulsive purchases and, over time, financial strain. Understanding why we spend emotionally is an important step in taking control of our money. Delayed gratification. This concept is all about the ability to resist the temptation of an immediate reward for a greater long-term goal. People who practice delayed gratification tend to make better financial choices, like saving for retirement instead of spending impulsively. The science behind it. Studies show that our brains react differently to money, often prioritizing short-term pleasure over long-term benefit. This is part of the reason why saving for retirement can feel difficult, even though we know it's important. In fact, research from the University of California found that people are wired to place more weight on immediate rewards than distant ones, which is why many of us struggle to save or invest for the future. By understanding these basic concepts, we can start to become more mindful of our financial habits and shift our mindset toward healthier money management. Common myths and misconceptions. When it comes to money, there are plenty of myths that can prevent us from making the best decisions. Let's debunk a few of the most common ones. Myth number 1. I need a lot of money to start investing. The truth: you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. In fact, you can begin with as little as $50 a month. Thanks to modern investment platforms, people with smaller budgets can now access index funds, stocks, and even real estate with minimal initial investments. Myth number 2. Debt is always bad. The truth: not all debt is created equal. While high-interest debt like credit card balances can be harmful, certain types of debt, like student loans or a mortgage, can be part of a healthy financial strategy. The key is understanding good debt versus bad debt and managing it responsibly. Myth number 3. If I budget, I'll never have any fun. The truth: budgeting isn't about restricting yourself from enjoying life. It's about making sure you're in control of your spending while still allowing for fun and flexibility. With the right budgeting tools, you can set aside money for experiences that bring you joy while still staying on track with your financial goals. Myth number 4. I'm too old to start thinking about retirement. The truth: it's never too early or too late to start thinking about retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. However, even if you're older, it's still important to make smart moves to ensure your financial security in the future. By debunking these myths, you can start making more informed decisions about how to manage your money and take actionable steps toward financial freedom. How to apply this knowledge. Now that you understand the basics and have debunked a few myths, let's talk about how to apply this knowledge to your life right now. Here are some actionable steps you can take to shift your financial mindset and improve your situation. Shift to an abundance mindset. Start by rethinking your beliefs about money. Instead of focusing on scarcity and fear, focus on abundance. Believe that there are always opportunities to grow your wealth. Try reframing your thoughts. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," say, "How can I afford that?" This simple shift can open up new avenues for earning and saving. Create a spending plan that works for you. Track your spending to get an understanding of where your money goes each month. Create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. For example, if you're saving for a vacation, set aside a small percentage of your income each month specifically for that goal. The key is consistency and planning, rather than restricting yourself. Practice delayed gratification. Start small by practicing delayed gratification in your everyday purchases. Instead of making an impulse buy, wait 24 hours before making a decision. You may find that you no longer desire that purchase once the immediate urge passes. Invest early, even if it's just a little. Start investing with small amounts. Automate your savings and investments so that you can build wealth over time without thinking about it. Even $50 a month can grow significantly over time with compound interest. Remember, it's not about how much you have now, it's about getting started. By implementing these steps, you'll be on your way to making better financial decisions, no matter your starting point. Advanced tips and strategies. For those of you who are ready to take your financial journey to the next level, here are some advanced strategies to consider. Mindful spending. Practice mindful spending by being intentional about every purchase. Before you buy something, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals and values. This strategy can help you cut out unnecessary expenses and prioritize what truly matters to you. Invest in your financial education. Continuously educate yourself about money management, investing, and personal finance. Read books, attend webinars, or even consider working with a financial advisor. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Diversify your investments. As you accumulate more wealth, consider diversifying your investments. This could include real estate, stocks, bonds, or even starting a side business. Diversification helps spread risk and increase potential returns over time. Set long-term financial goals. Don't just focus on short-term goals like paying off debt. Set long-term financial goals that will help you achieve financial freedom, such as early retirement, funding your children's education, or building a legacy. Creating a plan for the long term can keep you motivated and focused. By incorporating these advanced strategies, you'll be positioning yourself for greater financial success in the years to come. To sum up, your mindset about money can have a profound impact on your financial well-being. By understanding the basics of financial psychology, debunking common myths, and applying practical strategies, you can start making smarter, more confident decisions about your money. Remember, your mindset is the foundation for everything you do with money, from budgeting to investing to long-term financial planning. By shifting your mindset and adopting healthier financial habits, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with friends, and subscribe for more in-depth content. And don't forget, taking control of your money starts with taking control of your mindset. Start today and watch your financial future transform.